It's September 27th, 2010, and I'm on the lower reach of Millennium Creek, and you can see that some of the willow plants that we planted in 2006 and 2007 are coming along just great. Also, other riparian grasses have encroached in on the creek. This is one of the pool habitats that we constructed, a rock V-weir pool. And willow plants were planted around this pool site. All of these V-weir pools have maintained really good depth, and it's kind of hard to tell that they were man-made. I'm just upstream of the path bridge. There was a culvert on the crossing in 2005. And in 2006, this path bridge was built and the culvert was removed. The willow plants that were planted along the stream bank through this one reach are really coming along good, and it's quite noticeable. Some of them are approximately 6 feet high. In 2005, before the project was started, the wetted perimeter through this one reach was probably about 12 meters. Water went way back into that area back there, and since the new channel's been cut, you can see that we've got a channel width of approximately, I'd say, around 40 centimeters. And here is another V-weir pool. This is a log V-weir. And all of these willows were planted as well, and they're coming along really well. The wetted perimeter on this particular section, right where I'm standing, was approximately 5 meters. And now you can see that it's probably a little over 50 centimeters, or half a meter in here. The deflectors, which were installed on both sides of the channel, were placed in the channel to help constrict the flow, and you can see that the velocity has cleaned the silt away right down to the gravel in this one area. And we have another log V-weir pool. And I'll go up to the next V-weir pool here. I'm approximately 15 meters upstream of the last V-weir pool. And we have really good depth in this pool. But in summary, the entire creek is in really good shape. We had some problems with beaver dams this summer, but the beavers have been managed and the dams have been opened up. So it's just like any other natural trout stream. And in the future, willow plants and poplar plants will encroach in on the stream, and we should have quite a bit of cover on both sides of the channel. It's been a pretty successful project so far.